how to use picture-in-picture mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you use picture-in-picture mode on iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to assure that you have the application or premium subscription for supporting apps like picture-in-picture mode on that. For the videos like Safari, Apple TV or any other application like YouTube, you must have the premium subscription. If needed, simply you'll have to open that application. After that, while you are playing video, supported app, like it will show a PIP icon like with a small rectangle with an arrow. Simply you'll have to tap on that and swipe up or press the home button. After that, the video will shrink into a floating window that stays on top. After that, you can just drag that window to move it around. After that, you can also pinch to resize that, and that's it. From there, you can easily access picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.